Yo, what's up? Welcome back to Bali and welcome home. Welcome in Sanur. So today
we decided to come to Sanur where we're living, and check this out, it's so busy actually.
So yeah, we will show you around while Damian away for about 2 weeks. And yeah, for those of you who already missed Damian's vlog about Bali, so yeah, we will show you around.
So we are in Sindu Beach. This is the Grand Ina Hotel, by the way, and there's some wreck of the ship. First time I see actually something new. However, very busy. Mount Agung supposed to be there, but it's a little bit cloudy, and well, so busy. Let's have a look here. Already the corn grilling by the beach, satay, stuff like this. Doggo, yo, honey, be careful. Dog nearly crashed to you. And yeah, it's so good to be back.
Okay, so behind me the lumpia sellers and then corn sellers, and yeah, seems like life in Sanur is really everything is already back to normal. I see behind me the tourists, I mean like the local domestic tourists, and yeah, I think this is the busiest beach in Bali. What I can say. So yeah, you can see around people are having a good time, enjoying their time on the beach with their families,
There are also so many new warungs here, also so many people. I can also see, of course, a lot of people because there is like a local holidays in Indonesia right now. I think Lebaran holidays, but there's also so many new foreigner faces. That's for sure. Some of the tourists internationally already come around. And on this side is actually like a warungs, but on the other side, just behind me, there's like people sitting by the beach, and it's so many people actually around. I mean, so many. But I'm so happy to see that. This is how the Sindu area has changed. I mean, I used to film here already, especially during the live streams as they build the new warungs here. But also it's very busy actually. But yeah, the amount of people by the beach is also quite impressive. I really have to say, at least today, during the holidays, right?
Yeah, so at this time, you see, I don't know, I lost my fingers to count how many people are here. I think already hundreds, almost 1,000, I don't know. You see, from that side until that side, Bali Beach, Sanur Beach, I can say, so many people having picnic by the beach with the families, enjoying their time, having a drinks. So yeah, it's so good to see that.
Some bakso seller, if you miss the bakso in Bali, here we go, exclusively for you, people eating, enjoying by themselves. This is the famous Luhtu restaurant here also, but it seems a little bit less fortunate nowadays. However, for everyone who missed the Luhtu, here we go guys, for you, exclusively. Tutsi at the front. Hello! Shopping? Another place is Sagara Village, exclusively for you guys. Comprehensive review. Beginning of May 2022. They really changed a lot of nowadays. It's a little bit like a kinda club, kinda beach club. And also quite many people around enjoying. Also majority are local people actually. We are strolling today around the Sindu area and Sagara Village, stuff like this. So yeah, that's how it looks like. If you missed Bali already, especially Sanur, that area, this is for you today. This is the area of Sagara with this lobster, huge statue, very nice place. However, quite many people, but ladies carry some nice food. There is the kids playground here, but a lot of everywhere is loud music nowadays. Seems like Sanur is becoming slowly into I don't want to say into Canggu vibe, but so many loud music nowadays. Long time ago wasn't like that. Definitely long time ago you could hear only live band eventually. So that's the new changes.
Yeah, and then I can see that nowadays more and more people coming to Sanur, and many brand new restaurants also.
With loud music. That's true. And what's going on here? Check this out. This is the Hanover Beach. Just going direction to the Ina Hotel. Check this out. Actually quite busy. Look at this small baby with the hat like my mama put on me when I was winter, minus 30 degree, and like a lot of snow. But I used to talk about that already in Asia. How does it work like? But it's always cool to see. Anyway, check this out. Really busy over here. And the Grand Ina Hotel is already over there. And also so many kids, people enjoying their time, lumpia and stuff like that. Actually quite busy, sayang.
So wow.
And will be nice, sayang, actually. Yeah, I was thinking if we're gonna have a radler. I didn't have radler for so long time already.
Wow. Let's find the radler bucket promo then.
Hello, Winnie! So
How are you?
All good, all good.
Good. So,
Little bit loud music, but first day, full day in Bali, and already we met our fans. So cool. So happy
and
to.
yeah, we are so happy to meet them. And then they said like, you know, we are in Bali and you fly Singapore and Vietnam. And then yes, finally you are back, and so happy to meet you again.
So many people cycling here, and this is the Sands, kinda restaurant, kinda club in Sanur Beach. Also seems a little bit busy. I mean, not that really, but yeah, definitely busier than many of my other previous videos, that's for sure. Cheers, honey.
Okay, thank you so much for the ole from Singapore. I
Do you
really
like
love it.
Even it's just simple one.
No, look, this one is very good quality, very strong material.
But
you
somebody
know?
said that I should buy you Louis V.
Oh no, for this one is more than Louis Vuitton bag. So nice.
Oh, thank you, sayang.
Thank you, sayang.
Alright, so it's time to having a little bit night market in Sindhu market today. Some food, yeah?
Yeah,
Let's
so let's
try.
go to the night market. So let's see how it is. Okay guys, so seems like the night market is not that as busy like what we were expected, because yeah, I think that most of the sellers are, you know, like holidays for the Lebaran holidays, and then they are going back to their home. So yeah, only some of the food vendors are here. I don't know what we'll eat for dinner.
I'm not sure actually. 1, 2, 3, and 4. Not even gorengan, sayang. Not even gorengan. So that's the comprehensive review of the Sindhu night market right now. There are some potential customers, but not much food selection, food option, unfortunately. Meanwhile, there is little traffic jam in Sanur actually. Can you imagine that? That's actually also unbelievable. Unfortunately, market is very quiet, but the beach situation and the street situation seems actually kinda busy, especially today.
Okay guys, because in the night market seems like there are not many food vendors, and yeah, we just thinking let's go home, yeah, honey, yeah.
Yeah,
maybe
let's have a rest.
let's have rest, and maybe let's have something bungkus later on. So yeah, I think that's all our video guys from Sanur, Pantai Sindhu Sanur. So yeah, thanks for watching and see you tomorrow. Bye.